Tesla discontinues its solar subscription service. Oh, that sucks.
Went way up and then way down.
I was clapping, and I wanted the solar roof, man.
Yeah. Well, they're not discontinuing the solar roof.
I know, but I can't get any like news or.
Is it in Canada?
I can't get an email. I got no progress with the roof. I want to hear from somebody in Canada who got the solar roof. In the Toronto area, be even better. If that's you, then leave a comment or I don't know, email me or something. Because I would love to have it. Although that's not even the solar roof. That's just regular solar panels on this house. So that's curious. But Tesla has discontinued solar subscription service that it started offering in the U.S. 2 years ago as the choppest possible way to go solar.
Mordell.
I feel like no, they actually wrote cheapest here. Don't give them a bad rap on electric. I feel like a chopped salad. You ever heard them call it that? And they say, here's a chopped salad. You know the difference between a salad and a chopped salad? Well,
I'm guessing it's smaller pieces because it's chopped. I prefer these, by the way.
I'm glad you're having a good time today, Will. I'm glad you brought your A game today.
It's a Friday.
What is this shirt? Like a little more fitness oriented?
Yeah, I got it from Uniqlo.
It's a little more fitness oriented.
It's more breathable, yeah.
Although
I feel like I shouldn't wear it here. It's freezing.
What are you doing? Running around these days?
Yeah.
You're running around, aren't you?
Although I got injured. Yeah.
Gasp.
I got shin splints.
You were running for like 5 minutes.
I know, yeah.
Can't be getting shin splints.
My body's
already.
not used to it. I need to do more.
Let me tell you something. You guys might be out there in the public and you might
see me.
You might spot Willie Doo and he's
running with Otis.
Running around out there, running around in circles.
Can you imagine? This is like this tiny little circle. But yeah.
Yeah, he's out there. He's running around. Do you have headphones on or no headphones?
No headphones.
So you
come say hi.
They can approach.
Yeah.
Are you sure you want to put that in?
Well, just wave. I mean, I'm probably in the zone running with shin splints.
Yeah, you don't want them to approach. You just told them to approach.
Well, if you see me, you can wave.
Okay.
I don't want a conversation, though. Might be too much, especially when I'm running.
You're telling people you don't want a conversation. What if they saw you
what if you're in the flow of things? What if you're playing hockey?
Okay, but what if... No, you can't come on the ice, all right? No, you can't come on the ice. That's very dangerous.
Yeah.
But what if they spot you...
after a run, sure.
What if they spot you at the TNT? Then what?
Yeah.
When you're buying food, that's fine too. What if you're in the zone?
I'm usually not in the zone when I'm buying groceries.
No.
Okay. I'm alert.
I was thinking maybe you might be examining the produce or something and get caught off guard because everyone has their techniques. They examine the produce.
Sure, I don't mind that.
So
don't scare me.
Okay.
Like, don't do that.
I like figuring out what these rules
startle
are.
me.
I like these chopped salads as well. Why are we on the chopped salad? Oh, yeah, that's right. Because of the solar roof, it was the choppest possible way to go.
There you go.
In 2019, they came out with this plan. You do the subscription. It's going to cost you less because you just do the monthly fee.
Mm-hmm.
Straightforward way to get the solar that you want. And they canceled it. You can't do that anymore. They're like, no, you got to buy this stuff. No more easy way. No more subscription. No more incentives. I mean, this still looks like there's federal tax credits and things like that, but it's not going to be a subscription anymore. Instead, now we're full cost is due at the install. They want cash up front.
Yeah.
Is that right, Will?
Does that mean that they're not doing well?
Pay me now. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know how big a portion of their business it happens to be compared to the cars, but they're all stressed out trying to make the cars fast enough. They're trying to get around the Nürburgring record times. And then you're like, hey, man, give me the solar roof. And they're like, we're working on it.